This is the waveform after running this circuit for about 15 minutes. The spark gap is running over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and the power supply is all the way up to 115 volts. AC input at 60 cycles. This has got the 6,000 volt neon transformer, 25 milliamps. In fact, the drawing, here's the drawing here. Okay. Let me get some light on it here. Diodes are backwards from the Donald L. Smith document. Variac isolation transformer. Again, this is the neon. C1 capacitor is, I don't have it wrote down here, it's 329 nanofarads. L2 coil is only running about 4 volts. 7 turns of wire on a 3.4 inch core. This L1 capacitor, or L1 coil, 76 turns. And then we got a 1 looped coax pickup for frequency and voltage. We also have a scope pickup, antenna pickup, spark gap here. This is based on the Ed Gray's conversion tube. We're actually extracting electrons from the explosion here. The Tesla experiments said the electrons were coming out of the wires perpendicular to the electron flow. So the electron flowing this way, the electrons are being emitted perpendicular to the current flow, which is what he noticed when he was working with Edison, and these wires were spitting out blue sparks when he turned on the dynamo, and it's stabilized in about half a second. So again, this is all based, goes all the way back to Tesla's days. We got a microwave oven capacitor here, which is about, it's less than 1 microfarad, about 2,000 volts. 2 fluorescent tubes in series, and that's going to ground. This is all earth ground. We got a voltmeter down here. Meter also off of the spark gap that's connected with a coil. It's picking up some of the extractions, the energy at the ceramic tip in the end. Still running about 205 volts DC. And we're going to turn down the power supply and see if that changes that a little bit. And it actually makes it worse. Turn down this meter here. And we're going to keep turning it down until we get it stabilized. There we go. And it's sitting... Oh, what is that? About 65 volts. And it actually bumped up a little bit. It bumped up to about 240 volts, and lights are still lit. So there you have it.